ChatMe AI is a platform that allows job seekers create an interactive CV, which is powered by AI and RAG. As you can see, it lets employers chat and talk to you when you are away. When you want to create your own public twin, you equip it with your CV, your photo, you choose a persona, and also add some social media links. So if you have logged in, what you do, you go to create or update if you have an existing one. And then as you can see, you can add your LinkedIn, you can add your GitHub, of course, choose a persona here, add your CV as well as your passport photo, and of course, you click create. So once you click create, it gives you a public shareable link, which you can use that one to share with your employers. So if you open it, as you can see, it gives us a very nice interface here with your image, your social media links, and of course, a button to go to chat now with a very nice introduction here. If you click, it takes you to where you can chat as an employer. If you want to know about this potential employee, you chat with them and ask about their background. I'll now take you to how I built this project using Codex and Chipite 5.6. As you can see, we have the code base here with the backend, frontend, and all the files that are required. One of the first areas to check is the agents.md here. As you can see, it has things like how to work, the high-level mindset of how Codex and the model should understand this, the core rules to use. As you can see, we have the project structure. Before creating any file, it must check the project structure, which is defined beforehand. So files are created in the best folders. It has testing and verification, all the commands to test, to run the project, both the backend and the front end. Implementation rules are things like privacy, logging, research, docs, safety, how to ensure ENV are not pushed, and the completion rules. As you can see, we also have a project specification.md. It has all the problem statement, what success looks like, the architecture, and all the task lists that have to be implemented. I also used a number of skills. So if you go to my codex here and check the number of skills, so like we have a git push, which ensures that it pushes safely, reviews the code. I also have like Superpace. I use the Superpace to implement for the database and the file storage. So it has all those skills here. So Codex implemented every part of this project with a clear defined instruction files. Then we only prompt and we get the best outcome. We loop until we get the best outcome. If we go back to here, if now an employer you share this to an employer, they can now understand about you. They can even ask some quick question, tell me about your work experience. So it tells me I have to subscribe. So once I subscribe, I can still come back here and maybe ask now my question. Once the user subscribes, now the employer can continue chatting with the twin. So it gives the background based on the CV that was provided. I also implemented some other features like the user can subscribe. If you go